If you need to recover your Voya financial account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Voya Financial website. Go to the official Voya Financial website. Look for the login section where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. Once on the login page, find and click the link that says Forgot Username or Password. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your email address and any other identifying details. Make sure the information matches what Voya has on file for your account. Step 4. Select an alternative recovery method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Check your email for the recovery message from Voya Financial. Click the link provided and follow the instructions to reset your password or recover your username. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Voya Financial account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Voya's customer support for further assistance.